Hello everyone. In this video, we will be solving questions from exercise 3.1. The chapter is quantitative aptitude. See, question number 1 we have here is find the mean of first 12 natural numbers. See, the word mean is also called as the average. Okay, so when I am saying the mean, first 12 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We have to find mean, average. It means divide. How many number are there? There are totally 12 numbers. You can also say, how did you find this? Sum of all divided by total number of observations. Sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. Sum will be this divided by 12. I can say sum is equal to 78 by 12, which is nothing but 6.5. This is our mean of first 12 natural numbers. Simple. Now, find the average of first 7 odd prime numbers. See, what will be the first 7 odd prime numbers? Average 3 plus 5 plus 7, 3, 5, 7, then 11, 13, then 17, then 19 divided by 7. It will become 75 by 7. This is your average. Or you can also write it as 10, 7 by 5. Simple enough. Now, solving question number 3, find the mean of the positive factors of 24. What are the factors of 24? See, mean 1 is a factor, 2 is also a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, not 5, 6 is factor, 8 is the factor, 12 is the factor and 24 is also the factor. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 numbers. You can write here 2 plus 3, 6, 6 and 4, 10, 16, 16 and 8 is 24, 24, 36, 46, 56, 60. So I can say here 60 by 8. That is nothing but 7.5. That is your mean. Mean is nothing but average. Okay. Now, 5 people were asked about the time in a week they spend in doing social work in their community. They replied 10, 7, 13, 20 and 15 hours respectively. Find the average time in a week devoted by them for the social work. See, very simple. We have to find the average. Average time is 10 plus 7 plus 13 plus 20 plus 15. How many people are there? 5. So you can say 10 and 20, 30, 50, 65 by 5. It is nothing but 13. So you can say average time given is 13 hours. Simple. Now, question number 5. The mean of 6 observation is 17.5. If 5 of them are 4, 9, 23, 25 and 10, find the 6th observation. See, very, very important. 6 observations. So, mean of 6 observation is equal to 17.5. This we know by the question. Okay, mean of 6 observation means there should be totally 6 number. How many numbers do we have? 14 plus 9 plus 23 plus 25 plus 10. 5 are there. Can I say let my 6th number be x divided by, I have to find the mean. Mean will be divided by 6 is equal to 17.5. You have to mention here let 6th observation be x. Okay, then you can write this. So you can say 14 plus 9 again is 23, 46, 56, 66, 76, 81, 81 plus x is equal to 17.5 multiply 6. Simple. So you can write here x is equal to 105 minus 81. That is nothing but 24. So you can say that 24 is the sixth observation. Simple. Remember, you have to mention this line, okay? This is very important. You just cannot find the value for x, you have to write it. Question number 6. The average of 25 observation is 27. If one observation is included, the average still remains 27. Find the included observation. See, I'll tell you one rule here. Understand the concept, what simple average says. Simple average says that if suppose there are three numbers x comma y comma z, okay. What does this concept says? It says if you add 2 in all the three numbers, okay, then automatically your average will also increase by 2. If you remove 1 from all the numbers x, y and z, your average will also fall from 1. If you multiply 3 in all the numbers, then your average will also be multiplied by 3. And if you divide or everything by 5 or say the same number, then your average will also be divided by the same number. Okay, why we are learning this thing now? Because what is the question saying? Read it very carefully. It says that even after you add, the average of 25 observations is 27. If one observation is included, the average still remains 27. It means I can say that you have included whatever number, it is not affecting the average. Understood? Now understand, the average of 25 is 27. It means average of 25 observation is 27. You can say average means what? Sum of 25 observation divided by 25 numbers is 27. So I can say sum of those 25 numbers is equal to 27 multiplied by 25. That is nothing but 25, 625 and 50, 675. Okay. So they are saying the average of 25 is 27. I am saying from that average we can understand that the sum would be 675. Now if sum is 675, they are saying if one observation is included, that means if I am adding one number in this 675, it means first there were 25 observation, now it will become 26 observation and the average still remains 27 only. So they are saying, understand this, now after adding another number, sum of observation will become 675 plus x and total number of observation. First total number of observation were 25. Now because we are adding one more item, it will become 26. So now if I find the average, average will be 675 plus x divided by 26. And question says that the average remains same. If average remains same, it will be 27 only. Simple. If it is 27 only, then I can write here that 675 plus x is equal to 26 into 27. Now x is equal to 702 minus 675, that is 27. So you can say the number which is added is 27. See, I'll tell you, the number has to come 27 only. It is mere common sense. Why? Because if your average is not changing, it means you have added the average only again in your number. You have added 27 only as the number. If suppose you would have added 28, 30, 31, then your average will increase. If you would be adding anything number below than 27, 24, 20 or 18, then your average would be falling. But if the average is same, it means you have added the average only. You have added the 27 number only in your observation. Understood? This is the method you will be solving this question. Now, question number 7. The following are the weights of 8 students of a class. Find the average weight. How will we solve it? See, we have to just write the total. 50 plus 44.5 plus 48.7 plus 45.1 plus 50.4 plus 43, 51 and 49.3 divided by how many students are there? There are totally 8 students. So we will write by 8. We already know what is the formula for average weight. Sum divided by total number of students or total number of observation. Okay. So you can write here. So we can write here the total is 382 by 8. That will give you 47.75 kgs. Okay. Now what is it saying? If a teacher whose weight is 62 is also included, okay. So total weight first was 382 and the number of observation were 8, okay. If a teacher is included of 62 weight, so weight will increase by 62 and the number of increase by 1, number of people are increasing. So you can write here 4 by 8 plus 1, 9 and I can write here 49.333 kgs. Simple enough. Now moving to the next question. The average height of 10 students is 151.8. Two more students of height 157 and 154 join the group. What is the new average height? See, very easy. Average height of 10 students is 151.8. So you can write here after two more, or you can do one thing. Total height of 10 students. How much will be? 151 is the average, so I can say average multiply 10. Average is 151.8 into 10. So it will be 1518 centimeter. This is your total height. If two more students are joining, two more students join, then before it was 10, now total will become 12, okay, and before the height was 1518 of 10 students, now two more are joining, that are 157.6 plus 154.4. So you can write here directly 154.4. You can write here 1830 by 12. So the answer will be in centimeter only. So your average will be 152.50 centimeters. Understood? Very, very easy. Now solving the next question, question number 9. We have the mean mark of boys and girls in an examination are 70 and 73 respectively. If the mean mark of all the students in that examination are 71, find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. Okay. Now see, understand, the mean mark of boys and girls are already given. So if I want to know the total marks, how will we find it out? Total marks will be average marks multiply number of students. Now you can say for total marks of boys, if I want, see, total for boys. So average is how much? 70 and number of students, let the number of students or number of boys be x, okay. This we have to write here. Let number of boys be x and number of girls be y and total students will become x plus y, okay. Now total marks for the boys, total marks for boys will become 70 average, this formula only, and total marks for girls will be 73 into y. Simple. Now I can say that for total marks of all the students will be how much? Average was 71. So I can say 71 into x plus y. Okay. So now we know that total marks of boys, understand this very carefully, total marks of boys plus total marks of girls should be equal to total marks of all the students in the class. Okay, so I can write here that 70x plus 73y must be equal to 71 of x plus y. Simple. Now solving this, it will become 70x plus 73y is equal to 71x plus 71y. So you can say x will come here, it will come here 2y. So it means x by y is 2 by 1, and this is the ratio for boys and girls. Okay. I can say therefore x is to y is nothing but 2 is to 1. It means boys are double than the number of girls. Okay. See now, what's the 10th question? The average age of 3 students, Vijay, Rahul and Rakhi, is 15 years. If their ages are in the ratio of 4 is to 5 is to 6, find their ages. Now, if I tell you, I want to know the total age of all the 3. You will say, sir, if you want to know the total age, you have to multiply the average by how many number of observation are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 are there. Average age is 15 years into 3. So total age is 45 years. If their ages are in the ratio of 4 is to 5 is to 6, so you can say the 4 is to 5 is to 6. So for Vijay, Rahul and Rakhi, for Vijay it will be 45 into 4 by 15. Then 45 for Rahul it will be 5 by 15, and for Rakhi it will be 45 into 6 by 15, and the ages will be 12, 15 and 18 years. This is how we can find the solution for our question number 10. Now moving to the question number 11. The average of 19 observation is 54. Okay. If the average of first 10 observation is 56 and that of last 10 observation is 53, find the 10th observation. See. Now understand that there are totally 19 observation. If average of the first 10 is 56 and the last 10 is 53, then find the 10th observation. Understand first what is this question saying. Okay. Suppose I am drawing here a number line. There are totally 19 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. The average of 19 observation is 54. So I can say the average of these all numbers, it means total by 19 is given here 54. Okay. This is what the first line is saying. Now what is it saying? If the average of first 10 is 56, it means first 10, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, this 10 number observation is 56. So I can say for this total by 10 is equal to 56. Understand? Total of first 10 is 56 and that of last 10 observation it is 53. So last 10 is, you can say this is the last 10 from here to here. This total by 10 is equal to 53. But what we have to understand, find the 10th observation. Which one is the 10th observation? See, this is our 10th observation. Now if you can understand this, See, we know the total and we know the average of total numbers, average of first 10 and last 10. How can we find out? Understand this. The total sum of 19 observation you can say as 54 into 19, that is nothing but 1026. Then total sum of first 10 observation is equal to 56 into 10, that is 560, and total sum of last 10 observation is 53 into 10, that is 530. Okay, understand this. If I remove this total and these two numbers, if I remove from 1026, or I can say the sum of the first total and the last total will include this number twice, because this number is included here also, this number is included here also, but we have to take only once. So in our this total, this number is included once only. If I have to find that particular number, I can say the 10th observation will be 560 plus 530 minus 1026, that will give you 64. This is your 10th observation. Now, moving further to the next question, question number 12. Average of 9 observation was found to be 35. Later on it was decided that on an observation 81 was misread as 18. Find the correct average. Now understand how to do it. See, average is given 35, number is 9. So I can say total will be is equal to the same thing, average multiply, number is 9 here, average is 35, 35 into 9, it will become 315. Okay, but this is wrong total. Understand this. Why? Because an observation 81 was misread as 18. So what happened is, when I was adding all the numbers, I have added 18, but I had to add 81. So what will I do? My correct total will be 315 minus 18 plus 81, that will be 378. So therefore the average should be 378 divided by 9, 9 4s are 36 and 18, 9 2s are 18. So my average must be 42. Very simple. This is my correct average. What the question is asking, this is your correct average. Now, this is the last question, I guess. Yes, we will be solving 3.2 in the next video. Thank you so much.